Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well during this lockdown period. This is Virendra, your information technology teacher, and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Hey students, as you know that right now unit number 2 self-management skill is going on, and already we have completed 4 sessions. The session number 1, as you know that it's a personal hygiene, and after that you have work teamwork. Okay, you have studied about teamwork. Then after you have heard about some new sessions also, right? So overall we have completed the 4 sessions, right? Grooming, okay, your strength and weakness analysis, teamwork, okay. It's like this we have studied 4 sessions. Today we are going to have a new session, that is session number 5, right? And session number 5 is networking skill, right? स्टूडेंट्स, आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का हम पढ़ रहे हैं और हमारा इस समय एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल चल रहा है, और एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल के बाद इस समय यूनिट नंबर 2 सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट स्किल चल रहा है। तो आप ये सोचते होंगे कि नेटवर्किंग तो एक टेक्निकल टर्म है, इसका सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट स्किल में क्या काम है? बिल्कुल सही सोच रहे हैं आप। इसका जवाब मैं आपको जैसे जैसे लेक्चर हमें आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे तो आपको इसका जवाब खुद ब खुद मिल जाएगा। सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? आई जस्ट वांट टू हैव give you a warm welcome to on my YouTube channel, right? So without wasting any of the time, let's come to our session here, right? So our first topic we are going to study. First we have introduction. First we have introduction. Introduction, right? So okay friends, so in introduction part, first of all we have to know what is networking, right? And we have to also know about what is the use in self management skill in by using the networking skill. मतलब how we are going to use the networking skill in self management skill, right? So with this, let me write our question here. Our question is what is networking? ये आपका क्वेश्चन है, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर। एक चीज बताइए आप, whenever you are having many computers and that computers are getting connected with wire, and once it is connected then it become network, and the process which are going to make a network, that process is known as networking. But this definition is relevant to your actual information technology in terminology of computer networks, right? But right now we have to talk about networking in terms of self-management skill. Okay? So student, before giving the answer of this question, let me ask one question to you. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes. Are you feeling comfortable when you are staying with your friend circle? What's your answer? I think your answer is best. Yes. Right? So networking means you are trying to build up a relationship with new people. You are trying to know more and more about new people by having a good communication skill. Okay? If you are suppose any of the person coming in your neighborhood, okay, you are doing some kind of shifting work, okay, meanwhile one neighborhood came to you at your doorstep, okay, and you are just looking from top to bottom that who are they, right? It is look like a stranger for you because you did not meet earlier. Then what you will do? At that time, if you are having a good sense, a good communication skill, okay, and you are having a neighborhood skill also, then you are welcoming to your stranger. Because at that time, without making any communication, how did you know that that person is stranger or he is living besides you? He does not know. Okay, so without communication, you don't know about that person, right? So first of all, just communicate politely, efficiently, and ask him who are you. Then immediately he or she will give you answer that I am your neighborhood, okay, and I just want to here to give you a help here. Then immediately, okay, just give you thanks to that person that you are proactively came here to help me, okay, and then immediately after help you just invite him to offer some kind of snack party, some kind of tea party to him, so that with the tea party you just trying to know more. Okay, students, so I am saying that networking means to know more about new people, right? So let me give you a recall of this introduction. We are trying to know what is networking and how we are going to use the networking skill in self-management skill, right? So networking is to make communication, to make communication with new people, to build trust in their relationship. So this is the one kind of definition for you, right? So to have a best understanding, to have a interactive and entertaining lecture, please come to my laptop, okay, so that you can have a easiest understanding for you, right? Okay, students, now I am going to start the new session, that is networking skill. First of all, we should know about what is networking. Networking means we are going to make a communication with other person. The other person may be you known about that person or maybe not known about that person, right? But you have to make a conversation, okay, in a polite way, in an efficient way, okay? So just tell me, is it important for you to know the new peoples who are living around you or who are living in our society? Just tell me. According to me, yes, it is very much necessary that other people must know about that who are the new peoples are arrived here to live nearby you. Okay, make a conversation. Maybe that people are very much fruitful or very much beneficial for you. Maybe in your crucial time he will help you, right? He will give some kind of opportunity to you in your life, right? So students, just make sure that to make us important about the communication, okay, just use your communication to talk with new people. Okay, so I'm saying that whenever you talk to any new people, it means that the person wants to know about you. Okay, right now here two-way communication will happen. Okay, maybe the other person will ask you something about you and maybe you are trying to know more about that person, right? So just think about it. When you are residing among your friend circle, at that time you are feeling very much comfortable. Is it true or not? I think it's true. Okay, but when you want to grow yourself, when you want to upgrade yourself, right, in your life, is it very much necessary that you should know more and more peoples? This is called networking. Okay, use your communication skill to make friend of your new people, right? Okay, so I hope the what is networking is you are able to understand now. Okay, let me give the definition about networking. Networking is nothing but getting to know a new people by staying with touch with them over a long period of time and using their knowledge and skill. Okay, using knowledge and skill in a way that will help both the parties. It means that right now in networking, two-way communication is going on. If you are the new person for other person and other person also are new for you, okay, it means that if you want to know about that person, so what do? You will use your communication skill to talk with that person, maybe in the local language, maybe English language, maybe Hindi, whatever the language you are using, okay, and after the once he becomes familiar with them, trying to get in touch with that person over a long period of time, right? And once you are getting in touch with him, maybe you are using his knowledge, her knowledge, okay, maybe you are using her skill or his skill, right? And maybe that skill and knowledge will help you a lot. So in networking skill, two things are most important. Two things are, number one, listening sincerely. Yes, listening skill is very much necessary, right? And second thing, asking thoughtful questions. Okay, so let me give you a detail about these 2 points so that you can have a better understanding about these 2 important points, right? So let me scroll down the page here and then we'll give you a more about this, right? So right now, where first you talk about listening skill. Okay, so when anybody is saying something to you, it means you have to listen each and every sentence in a attention way. Very attentively listen what he is trying to say, right? So listening with attention shows that you respect and value what the other person is saying. Whatever trying to say by the other person, if you're listening attentively, it means you are respecting him or her and you are giving some values to him or her. Okay, now coming to the second point, asking thoughtful questions. When you are asking a thoughtful question to the other person, it means that you are interested in her or his opinion, right? Which help you to build a trust. I ensure that student, if you are making a new friend, if you are trying to know a new people, okay, then trust is the most important thing to build a healthy relationship with any other person, any person. Okay, so whenever you are asking any thoughtful question, it shows that you are having a keen interest in his opinion. Okay, and that interest, that opinion may help you in making a trust with them, right? Now the question arises here, how we are going to make a good relation between, whether it's a relation, personal relation, or it's a business relation, right? So right now in this page there is 2 examples are given here, okay, for giving. In first example, it is given they have the knowledge about networking skill, and in the second case they don't have any kind of networking skills. So let me give you the detail about this example and then we'll proceed further. Okay, Karthik is one boy. Karthik moved to new neighborhood. Karthik एक new पड़ोसी के पास गया. He meets new kids every day. वो उनके बच्चों से every day मिलता था. Give them a friendly smile. Speak with them after a school hours. Okay, वो school hours के बाद उनके बच्चों से मिलता था. The other kid help him to find closest grocery stores, playground, swimming pool. यानी कि जब वो बच्चे से बात करता है तो बच्चे से बात करने के बाद उसे ये पता चलता है कि आसपास प्लेग्राउंड कौन सा है, ग्रोसरी स्टोर कौन सा है, स्विमिंग पूल कौन सा है. He often invite his friends home for snacks. a tea party. When Karthik is familiar with other person, he maybe invite you to have a tea party or to have a snacks with me. Okay, so right now he has used his communication skill to know about new people, right? Let me take the second example. Okay, right now this person on the right side, they don't have any kind of network skill. They are not trying to know any of the person. His name is Lucky. Lucky is quiet boy, very very quiet boy. He does not have a mingle with other people. He does not want any kind of person to meet any other person. Even in class, he sits alone and does not speak with anyone. एक ऐसा बच्चा जो क्वाइट रहना, चुपचाप रहना पसंद करता है, किसी से मिलता जुलता नहीं है, क्लास में भी अकेले बैठता है, किसी से बोलता नहीं है. He also eats a lunch alone. अपना लंच भी अकेले ही लेता है. ओके, एंड ही ऑफन स्ट्रगल एट द स्कूल ड्यूरिंग द ग्रुप एक्टिविटी. यानी कि अब उसके स्कूल में जब ग्रुप एक्टिविटी होती है, क्योंकि वो किसी से बातचीत नहीं करता था, तो ग्रुप एक्टिविटी में भी कोई भी एक्शन या कोई भी एक्टिविटी नहीं कर पाएगा. ओके, स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी भी नहीं कर पाएगा. दिस कॉजेज अ स्ट्रेस. अब इससे क्या हुआ, उसे स्ट्रेस हुआ एंड ही डज नॉट लाइक टू गो टू द स्कूल. अब उसके मन में हीन भावना आती है कि अब वो स्कूल नहीं जाना चाहता है. Okay student, so I hope student you are able to understand what I am trying to say here. Okay, so students, with this I am coming to the next page. Let me scroll down. So students, right now a new topic came here, that is benefits of networking skill. Can you tell me, according to you, what kind of benefits you are having if you are using the networking skill? As the screen, some sentences written there, it is already saying that if your knowledge, if you're having a good knowledge about anything, if you share that knowledge to the other person, if you're sharing your skill to the other person, maybe that person giving one kind of help to you, right? So right now there is 3 points are given here. The first one is sharing expertise and skills. Yes, that's I think that is the most important benefit of networking skill, right? Let me give one example here. You can ask your friend or neighbor to employ in a company. यानी कि अगर आप अपनी किसी कंपनी में पहले से वर्क कर रहे हो, एक्सपर्टीज हो, स्किलफुल हो आप, तो आप अपने दोस्त की जॉब के लिए भी आप रिकमेंडेशंस दे सकते हो या उसकी हेल्प कर सकते हो इंटरव्यू के लिए, कि वो इंटरव्यू किस तरीके से फेस करेगा. लेट मी कम टू द पॉइंट नंबर 2. Seek and provide support in difficult time. Yes, that's a very very important point here. Means if you trying to know the other people and maybe he is neighborhood, okay, so in your crucial time, in your difficult time, he surely help you. Okay, you can ask to your friend that to help you if you are going to get late to school or in a completing a school project. Means if you're trying to know the other people, if you're trying to know the new student, okay, maybe that student will help you to make a new project, right? If you're going to a late, if you're having some kind of reason to not able to reach the school on time, then maybe he can inform to the principal sir that this is the reason, that's why he is not able to reach on time, right? So this is the second point. Seek and provide support in difficult time. Let me come to the third point. Inform and be informed about new opportunities. मतलब क्या हुआ कि आप पहले से ही अपने आप को अपडेटेड रख रहे हो कि हर तरह की न्यूज़ से, हर तरह की जानकारी से अपने आप को बिल्कुल आपने ओतप्रोत कर दिया है आपने, ठीक है. एंड इन्फॉर्म मीन्स वट एवर द अपडेट्स यू हैव, यू आर ट्राइंग टू शेयर विद अदर पर्सन, यू आर ट्राइंग टू शेयर विद द अदर पर्सन, राइट. सो इन्फॉर्म एंड बी इन्फॉर्म, बोथ आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स. बी इन्फॉर्म मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू अपडेट योर सेल्फ एनी टाइम, राइट, कि आप अपने आप को यहाँ फुल्ली अपडेटेड रख रहे हो. आप जो भी आपकी न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रही हैं, जो भी आपकी न्यू जॉब की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो भी आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन है, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन आस्क योर पेरेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स टू हेल्प यू गेट अ पार्ट टाइम समर जॉब इन देयर प्लेस ऑफ वर्क, राइट. कि आप यहाँ पर उससे अपने दोस्त है रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हो कि आप समर जॉब उसको या समर ट्रेनिंग के लिए उससे हम रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट मी रिकॉल वन मोर टाइम. Number 1, share expertise and skill. This is the first point. Number 2, C can provide support in difficult time. Number 3, inform and be informed about the new opportunities. Right? So these are the benefits of networking skill. With this, I am coming to the next page. Let me scroll down. Now, this page having a new topic. The topic is how to build networking skill. Okay, कि आप networking skill को बनाएंगे कैसे. इसको बनाने के लिए एक इन्होंने मॉडल दिया है. मॉडल का नाम है कनेक्ट. कनेक्ट की स्पेलिंग देख लीजिए, CONECT. CONECT. राइट. तो आपको C का मतलब कन्वर्स, O का मतलब ओपन अप, N का मतलब नेटवर्क स्मार्टली, E का मतलब इंगेज, C का मतलब कम्युनिकेट रेगुलरली एंड T का मतलब टेल. अब हम एक एक करके हम इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शंस देखते हैं, इसकी डिटेल्स देखते हैं ताकि और अच्छे से आपको समझ में आए. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कन्वर्स. कन्वर्स का मतलब क्या हुआ? हैव अ प्लीजेंट अपीयरेंस. कन्वर्स मतलब हैज़ अ प्लीजेंट अपीयरेंस. मतलब क्या हुआ कि आपका जो अपीयरेंस है इतना अट्रैक्टिव है कि आप दूसरों से जब बात कर रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंट होके, बिल्कुल स्माइली फेस लेकर के, आंखों में आंखें डाल करके उससे प्रॉपर तरीके से आप बात कर रहे हैं और उससे थॉटफुल क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं आप. जैसे आप न्यू फ्रेंड से पूछे आप, ओके, एंड इफ़ यू आर आस्किंग दैट हाउ द ट्रैफिक इन अ डे, कि आपका ट्रैफिक कैसा है, ओके, या किसी और क्वेश्चन से आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया आपने. यानी कि आप यहाँ से अपने प्लीजेंट अपीयरेंस से सामने वाले से बातचीत करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं आप. ओके, लेट मी कम टू द सेकेंड, दैट इज ओपन अप. ओपन अप का मतलब क्या हुआ कि आप दूसरों की जो बात है, जो सामने जो पर्सन कहना चाह रहा है, उसके बात में इंटरेस्ट आप ज़रूर दिखाएं. आप यू हैव टू शो द इंटरेस्ट इन गेटिंग टू नो अबाउट देम. जब तक आप उसके बातों में इंटरेस्ट नहीं शो करेंगे, आप यहाँ पर उसके बारे में जान नहीं पाओगे. लेट मी टेक एग्जाम्पल हियर. आस्किंग देम अबाउट व्हाट दे डू इन फ्री टाइम. उससे ये पूछ सकते हैं कि फ्री टाइम में क्या करते हैं. ओके, जब वो अपनी बात कहे, लिसन हिम वेरी वेरी अटेंटिवली, वेरी वेरी पेशेंटली. ओके, लिसन टू देम वेरी पेशेंटली एंड टेक कन्वर्सेशन अहेड. जो भी हो गया है बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत आराम से सुनिए. जैसे एग्जाम्पल देखिए, इफ़ दे मेंशन दे नीड समवन टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ पार्टी. मतलब क्या हुआ? उसने कहा कि मुझे कुछ दोस्तों की कुछ मदद चाहिए मुझे, ताकि मैं एक पार्टी को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकूं. ओके, और आप कह सकते हैं ऑफर टू शेयर अ कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ योर पर्सन विद दैम. आप उसको ऑफर कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर हम कोई कॉन्टैक्ट मैं आपको शेयर कर सकता हूँ, ताकि जिसका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर मैं आपको दूंगा वो आपकी हेल्प कर सके. कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ? You whatever other person is trying to say, you have to show the interest so that you are able to know more about it. Okay, maybe you have to proactively just give your opinion, give your offer, okay, so to other person, so that the helping nature develops in each other, right? So this is also a benefit of open up. Let me come to the third point, that is network स्मार्टली. नेटवर्क स्मार्टली यानी कि आपको नेटवर्किंग करनी तो है, लेकिन स्मार्ट वे से करनी है. टॉक टू देम अबाउट थिंग्स दैट आर कॉमन बिटवीन देम, कॉमन बिटवीन टू. अगर दो पर्सन आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, आप उस टॉपिक के ऊपर बातचीत कर सकते हैं जो दोनों में आपको लगता है कॉमन हो सकती है. अगर दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं, दोनों के बीच में जो कॉमन है वो उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, दोनों लोग एक दूसरे के जानने में और ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, आप दोस्तों के बीच में अगर आपने क्रिकेट की बात आपने शेयर कर दी, तो अगर सामने वाला जो पर्सन है वो अगर क्रिकेट में इंटरेस्टेड होगा, तो तुरंत इमीडिएटली वो सचिन के बारे में, विराट के बारे में, सबके बारे में बात करना स्टार्ट कर देगा वो. Right? So maybe whatever the similar interest of any of the topic, maybe cricket, sports, food, anything, you can share your experience with them. Okay? You can also talk about some of the recent vacation, recent movie, whatever, anything you can want to talk. Okay? So this is the way of network smartly. Right? Let me talk about fourth point, that is engage. Engage means whatever the useful information you have, just share it to the other person, whatever the useful information is, right? And right now one example is written here, do not appear to be superficial. It means that, means whenever you are having any kind of useful information, at that time please do not keep with yourself. If you think that the information is useful for other person also, just share it, okay? And what is the exact meaning of superficial, you can also check with the internet also, right? Now let me come with the next point, that is communicate regularly. Communicate regularly. It means that whenever you are talking to the other person, then other person showing interest to you, and maybe after some time he become your friend. So friend means you are going to communicate, going to get in touch with him of a long time, okay? Speak regularly with them, okay? Trying to ask about some big good thing and bad thing, what is going in his life, in her life, right? Invite them at the parties, invite them to have a little bit get-togethers, right? So this is the way to communicate regularly. And the last, not the least, is tell. Share information on events or activities that you know of. मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आप किसी पार्टी में गए, कि कोई एक्टिविटी, नई एक्टिविटी किया आपने, एक्टिविटी करने के बाद अब आपने यहाँ पर एक्टिविटी करने के बाद अब आपने यहाँ पे लगा कुछ आपने जो भी आप दूसरों को बताना चाहते हैं, तो आप यहाँ पर उसको शेयर कर दीजिए। जैसे आप कहीं किसी मेले में गए, किसी फेयर में गए, वहाँ खूब इंजॉय किया, तो आप इसी बात से वो चीज़ों को आप बता सकते हैं, ताकि सामने वाला भी आपके बातों को सुन करके इंटरेस्ट ले, ओके? So whatever the new events and you have done some kind of activity, okay, just tell to other person, right? So that he can also have some kind of new fun, new knowledge too, right? So students, this is all about the how to build up your networking skill. किस तरीके से बनाएं? Converse, open up, network smartly, engage, communicate regularly and tell. Right? These are the 6 points, okay? If you use in your life, you can also do better networking skill, and you can also know about other person in a very, very efficient way, very, very easy way, right? So with this, I'm coming to take some questions here. You have to give the answer on the YouTube comment, right? Let me scroll down. So right now some multiple choice, so one multiple choice question is there. The question is, your family has moved a new home. Your next door neighbors pays a visit. मतलब क्या हुआ? आप किसी नए घर में शिफ्ट हुए, वहाँ पे जो पड़ोसी हैं वो आपके घर आए. What should you do? What should you do? First option, tell them you are in middle of shifting and cannot speak right now. This is the first point. Second, get irritated and tell them that they have dropped in without informing. They get irritated, मतलब irritation आप show कर रहे हो आप. Third point, give them a insincere smile and ask them to leave. C point, okay? Last point, welcome them, introduce your family and thank them for coming. Right? So out of 4 options, 1 is correct. You have to give them a 1 option, right? So just give me an answer. I'm waiting for you. Let me come to the second question here. So the second question is, Kavita is collecting donation in her neighborhood to help an old age home fix for water issues. कविता यहाँ पर क्या कर रही है? कुछ डोनेशंस कलेक्ट कर रही है अपने पड़ोसियों से, अपने जो भी आसपास रह रहे हैं, और वहाँ पर जो प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ वाटर इशू है यहाँ पर, अब वाटर इशू को सॉल्व करना चाहती हैं. क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट शुड शी डू व्हाइल आस्किंग स्ट्रेंजर टू डोनेट मनी? किसी स्ट्रेंजर से वो डोनेशन मांग रही है, तो क्या करे वो? नैरेट द होल स्टोरी ऑफ ओल्ड एज होम, पूरी कहानी बताए वो. नंबर 2, डायरेक्टली आस्क द डोनेशन मनी. थर्ड, start a small conversation, then talk about the project which needs donation. Start a small conversation, then talk about the project which needs donation, or all of the above. Right? So students, these are the 2 questions for you. You can give the answer here on the YouTube comment box. Right? So now in this session what you have learned here after completing this session, what you have learned? You have learned here that first point, demonstrate the knowledge of building warm and friendly relations with others. Demonstrate the knowledge of building warm, friendly relation and with others people. कहने मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो अदर्स पीपल हैं वहाँ पे उनसे आप किस तरीके से दोस्ती, किस तरह से हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप बनाओगे, उसके बारे में आपने देखा. नेक्स्ट इज आइडेंटिफाई अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्टार्ट कन्वर्सेशन फॉर इंटरेक्टिंग एंड सोशलिंग विथ अदर्स. यानी कि आप दूसरों से कन्वर्सेशन, बातचीत करके उनसे जो उनकी स्किल्स है, जो उनकी नॉलेज है, वो आप लेने की, या जो भी उनके पास अपडेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन है अबाउट एनी ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटी, ओके, वो उनसे आप ले रहे हो. आप उनकी जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है उनसे बातचीत करने के बाद वो आप पहचानने की कोशिश कर रहे हो आप. एंड द थर्ड पॉइंट, लिस्ट वेज टू बिल्ड अ नेटवर्क पीपल अराउंड यू. जो भी आपके आसपास रह रहे हैं, कई सारे तरीकों से उनसे आप बातचीत करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो आप. राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, I think you are able to understand each and everything, but if you have still any kind of query, you can come to me, you can contact me on the WhatsApp as well as YouTube comment. Right. Okay students, I hope each and everything is very much clear to you and you don't have any kind of doubt, right? I can surely say about this. But if you have any kind of doubt, any kind of question, you can definitely contact me on the YouTube or WhatsApp, right? And I'm trying to solve each and every question in a short span of time, right? So thanks students, thanks for watching me on this YouTube channel. We'll meet in next video with new session, right? And maybe the new session will be more interactive and more entertaining, right? Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, give your valuable feedback so that I can improve more and more, right? So students, thank you so much for watching me.